Master AI video creation, the ultimate step-by-step guide for content success. Do you want to create videos so incredible they look like they were crafted by a Hollywood production team? What if I told you it could be done in record time using the latest AI tools without expensive gear or advanced skills? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to master the art of AI video creation. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a complete, step-by-step guide to unlocking your creative potential and skyrocketing your content's impact. Let's dive in. Introduction. Why AI is changing the game. AI is reshaping the creative landscape, turning impossible dreams into accessible realities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, AI tools are making it easier than ever to produce high-quality, engaging content. From lifelike avatars to cinematic visuals and automated editing, the possibilities are endless. But here's the thing, having the tools is only part of the equation. Knowing how to use them effectively is what sets great creators apart. That's exactly what we'll cover today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to mastering AI video creation, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Section 1. Setting the foundation. Understanding AI tools. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's lay the groundwork. The first step to mastering AI video creation is understanding the tools available to you. Here are my top recommendations. Synthesia. Create talking avatars that deliver your message with professionalism and personality. Runway ML. For real-time effects like background removal and cinematic filters. Pictory. Transform written content into visually stunning videos. Jasper. Your script writing assistant for engaging narratives. Descript. Edit videos as easily as you'd edit text. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, and together they form an unbeatable toolkit for content creation. I'll guide you through how to use each one in this full course. Section 2. Creating engaging avatars with Synthesia. Let's start with Synthesia, my go-to for creating lifelike talking avatars. Why are avatars so effective? They personalize your content and connect with viewers on a deeper level, even when you're not on camera. Here's how to get started. Sign up for Synthesia and select an avatar that matches your brand's vibe. Write a script that feels natural and conversational. Customize the avatar's tone, language, and gestures to suit your message. In minutes, you'll have a polished video featuring your very own digital presenter. It's perfect for tutorials, explainer videos, or even personalized outreach. Section 3. Transforming text into stunning visuals with Pictory. Got a blog post or article you want to repurpose? Enter Pictory. This tool makes turning written content into video almost effortless. Here's the workflow. Paste your text into Pictory. Watch as the AI matches visuals and music to your content. Fine-tune the result by adjusting layouts, overlays, and transitions. Repurposing content is a fantastic way to expand your reach and provide value to different audiences. With Pictory, it's never been easier. Section 4. The magic of real-time effects with Runway ML. Next up is Runway ML, a tool that feels like having a mini effects studio at your fingertips. Whether you need to remove backgrounds, add cinematic lighting, or create dynamic visuals, Runway ML delivers. To use Runway ML effectively, upload your footage and explore the real-time editing options. Experiment with filters and effects to enhance your visuals. Export your polished video ready for the spotlight. This tool is perfect for adding a professional touch to your content, even if you're on a tight schedule. Section 5. Writing perfect scripts with Jasper. Every great video starts with a strong script, and Jasper is your AI-powered writing assistant. Need an engaging intro? Jasper's got you. Stuck on how to end your video? Jasper can help with that too. Here's how I use it. Enter the type of video you're creating and your key points. Let Jasper generate a draft, then refine it to match your tone. Add personal touches to make it uniquely yours. Jasper ensures that your script flows naturally and keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Section 6. Editing like a pro with Descript. Finally, let's talk about Descript, the ultimate editing tool for creators who want speed and simplicity. With Descript, you can edit videos by editing the text transcription. It's fast, intuitive, and incredibly effective. Key features include overdub for AI-powered voice edits, multi-track editing for seamless audio and video adjustments, screen recording for tutorials or presentations. If you've ever dreaded video editing, Descript is your new best friend. Section 7. Bringing it all together, building your workflow. Now that you know the tools, it's time to combine them into a seamless workflow. Start with a great script using Jasper. Create engaging visuals with Pictory or Runway ML. Add lifelike avatars with Synthesia. Edit and polish everything in Descript. This step-by-step approach ensures your videos are not only high quality but also efficient to produce. With practice, you'll be able to create professional content in a fraction of the time. Conclusion. Your journey to AI video mastery starts now. AI tools are revolutionizing content creation, and now you have the ultimate guide to mastering them. These tools aren't just for making videos, they're for bringing your ideas to life, connecting with audiences, and achieving your creative goals. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Authentic to AIT. Let's build a community of creators who are ready to transform the future of video together. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.